See, today we are going to solve the problem in integration, integral log x by x into dx. Take log x which is equal to t. Now differentiate on both sides, 1 by x into dx which is equal dt. Now the original integration log x by x into dx, here log x is equal to t, dx by x which is equal to dt. So what is the formula for the integration t dt? That is t square by 2 plus c, because integral x to the power n into dx which is equal x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So using this formula, we can integrate integral t dt as t square by 2 plus c. Now let us replace the value of t, that is log x. Log x the whole square divided by 2 plus c.